Good health is one of the most prized possessions anyone can have. The reason for our happiness, the reason for our existence, and the very reason why choosing a hospital which will provide you the utmost care you deserve is crucial. Introducing Koshys Multispeciality Hospital, Bangalore, unit of Little Flower Hospital Private Limited. Over the years, Koshys Multispeciality Hospital have grown and catered to the mass, including international patients, with one simple goal: serving the community and providing affordable health care so that many may experience health. We believe healing begins with a smile and care, sensitivity towards patients' needs, and professional approach to patients' requirements. With a team of highly trained and experienced doctors, nurses, and staff, we are dedicated towards the highest calling of providing affordable health care. At Koshys, advancing with technologies for your better tomorrow is a continuous goal we strive to achieve each year. With high-tech modular operation theater, a 15-bed ICU manned 24/7 by intensivists and emergency medicine specialists, a 24/7 NICU with level 3 tertiary care, and a dialysis center. Digital mammogram, CT scan, 4D ultrasound, endoscopy, colonoscopy, and many more. Established in the year 2002, Koshys Multispeciality Hospital pioneered in many specialties and surgeries within the vicinity, such as knee and hip replacement surgeries, laser surgeries, bariatric surgeries, keyhole surgeries, neonatal surgeries, pediatric surgeries, obstetrics and gynecology surgeries, and many more. We specialize in many surgeries and professional care under one roof. With 24/7 services like accident and emergency care, burns care, laboratory, pharmacy, etc. Koshys always opens its doors 24/7 for all your emergency care. Koshys Multispeciality Hospital. Experience health.